Hello and good morning. Sometimes my biggest worry as an English teacher is how to explain certain concepts, because I'm just kind of aware of how much difficulty I faced before I actually understand some of these concepts. Now, today I'm going to be talking about the difference between has and have. Has and have. Of course, has and have are both verbs, but they actually function as primary auxiliary verbs in most of the situations. That is, in situations of sentences where you have has appearing in a sentence structure with another verb. If has appears with another verb, then it means has is serving to assist, the verb, the actual verb. For example, if you have, we have greeted the teacher. Now you have the combination of have and greeted. Have is now functioning as auxiliary verb to greeted. But of course we can have a situation where only have will appear in a sentence structure, like in the case of I have money, I have a car, I have 10 naira. In these expressions, have alone is in the sentence, and therefore have alone is the actual verbal element, meaning the verb of the structure. Okay, that is have for you. Now what about has? Has also functions as either an auxiliary verb or as a main verb. When it is an auxiliary verb, it is appearing in a sentence structure with another verb. And when it is a main verb, then it appears within the sentence structure alone without the support of any other verb. For instance, when you have she has a car, she has a pen, and expressions like that. Now, what is the basic difference between these two, have and has? Now, every English word, you should know that every English word has the root form, if you like, the base. So the base of this verb is have. So every base verb of English is supposed to be a plural verb in its sense. Therefore, have as the first verb, meaning as the original verb or as the root verb, agrees with the first person singular and plural, second person singular and plural, and third person plural. I will just do that in sentences. First person singular and plural is when you have I have money, I have money, I first person singular, we have money, we first person plural, you have money, you first person singular, you have money if you're more than one, second person plural, and then they have money, that third person plural. So the only English situation, the only grammatically correct situation where you can use has is with he, she, and it. You can say he has, she has, and it has. She has, he has, and it has. Note please, this also goes to explain that has and have are both in their simple present tense forms. You can only use have in the simple present tense form. You can only use has in the simple present tense form. Of course, you can use have in another situation, not just in simple present tense form. When you have a situation where you say I have taken, have with taken, of course that will be the explanation for another lesson. Please try to understand, I said we can only say I have, we have, you have, they have, but you can never have he or she or it have. You can only say she has, it has, and he has. Thank you very much for listening to me, and inshallah we're going to go places with these lessons together. Thank you very much once again.